Hey everybody, this is Gary Fong, and the following is an excerpt from my newest course, Unleash the Power of Your Sony Alpha. Our full course offers nearly 5 hours of video instruction with topics instantly accessible with our new sidebar navigation tool. No more endless scrolling. And you'll love this. You'll get a PDF of all of the menu items listed by tab, page, and line number, and then cross-referenced for fast locating in alphabetical order. Visit us at sonyalphacourses.com. Okay, now let's go to your tip. Autofocus area registration, and that's either on or off. So what does that actually mean? So the thing is if you see right here, there's a blinking thing on the left, right? If I hold the custom button down, it will prioritize that and take me to that. Now, so in other words, I have set a preferred thing by hitting the focus button. Let me take you how to get there. Okay, so still custom key. I'm going to go under still custom key, and I'm going to put this button, register AF area hold, which I've already customized. So I'm just going to go like that, and I'm just going to go to menu, custom key, and I'll select that, and then I can select any of these things, right? But I'm going to select register autofocus area hold. Okay, so now you see on the left there is a blinking, one on each kid basically. One on the left is blinking, so the prioritized one is the one on the right. The one that's blinking on the left I can access by holding that button that I just customized, and if I do that now, I go to that. Does that make sense? So there's one on one eye, then I hold the AFMF button, and then bang, goes to the other eye, and that's basically how that works. Now, the way to set that up would be going all the way back up here to box number, it's under 9, I think, 9E. This is why we have our feature finder. Let's see. Okay, so audio focus area registration. So the way this works, if I turn it off, watch what happens. That box on my daughter goes away. Okay, but if I turn it on, you can register a focus area by long pressing the function button in the shooting screen. The registered focus area can be recalled with the custom key. That was the custom key that I had just programmed. So now what I'm going to do is register a focus area by long pressing the function button in the shooting screen. So this is complicated and not that worthwhile, but we'll go to focus area, tracking, expand flexible spot, and I'm going to move the focus point over to here. Okay, so this might be if you're shooting like lots of pictures of two people and you want to be able to switch between left and right person or something like that. But now I've got it right there. Okay, so you see that now I'm going to hold down the function button, hold, register the focus area. Now watch what happens. You see how I have that one there, and then I have let's see, I'll move over, watch this. So I'll take the focus area and I'll move it over to the boy like that. Okay, so there's that. Now I have one on the boy, one on the girl. You get that? If I press that little setting area on the top, I get the girl. Boom, and there's the eye autofocus. If I don't press that button, I get the boy, and there's the eye autofocus. Ta-da! Is that fun, son? Or is that boring?
Yes.
It is fun? Okay, you're doing a great job. Okay,